She's like reaching out to him.
Yeah, I don't think... I haven't seen her like interact, like grabbing stuff like that either.
It's pretty cool.
It's very cool. Did you see the chicken head?
Even if she never plays with it again, this was worth $20.
Totally.
I'm sure she.
Did you see the chicken's head, Heather?
Yes. Little fox.
This hurts.
That chicken's milk drug.
Oh my gosh.
It's like she can't decide which one to watch. They're all so exciting.
I'm just smiling.
I'd have to say my favorite is the frog.
Yeah, me too. Frog's pretty cute. I like the monkey though.
I like the chicken. She likes him. She's looking at the umbrella.
Yeah, they've got that like black and white swirl inside.
Is this Cushies?
I have no idea what the brand is.